Hello, my name is Abby Mayer, and I am an optometrist at the Virginia Eye Institute. Optometry started in my life when I was like 8 years old. I got my first pair of glasses then, and I have like a hometown optometrist, and so he was mine, and then he was also my dad's doctor and my mom's doctor and my grandparents' doctor, and I really loved that he had this like familial connection with all of his patients, and like sitting in the room, he just walks in and starts talking to you about your brother or what's going on in your life, and I just really liked that, and I didn't have that kind of connection with any of my other doctors. I always knew I wanted to go into health and medical related things, and so that kind of pushed me towards optometry, was the relationship I had with him. I always try to make kind of a connection with all of my patients, and it's different with everyone. You can kind of feel them out once you get in the room, but having that emotional connection with a patient more than just with their eyes is really important. It kind of opens them up to them telling you more about what's going on, and they're not super closed off, and so I always try to approach it in like more than just the eyes kind of aspect. So at Virginia Eye Institute, I loved the size of the practice. So there's kind of a person for everyone. So there's every specialty of ophthalmology, and then like a ton of optometrists as well. And I just love that you're able to have that kind of connection with a lot of different doctors, and you're never kind of on your own in a scenario. You always have someone to fall back on or ask questions to, and you can also be a listening ear for someone else and help them think in a different direction from what they're thinking of. So I just kind of love the size of the practice, and then like the camaraderie that comes with it. So outside of work, I really enjoy kind of just being outdoors. So I do a lot of hiking and biking and walking, and my husband and I enjoy disc golfing. And so basically anything that involves being outside is what I really enjoy. I would say what keeps me inspired is just the patients. So I just love being able to see anyone that walks in the door. So everyone comes from a different area of life and at a different point in their life, and so I just love being able to make those connections with patients, and that's kind of what keeps me going with the eyes.